Linguistic determinism is the theory that states language influences thought, and that the language that we speak somehow determines the way that we think. The language that we speak is the language of thought, so basically language and thought are the same thing. Linguistic determinism rejects the idea defended by Pinker and conceptual semantics that the language we speak is different from the language of thought. One case supporting this theory is the object recognition by infants, talked about in lecture as well as in the book, that infants have trouble keeping track of objects in many ways. This is called object permanence, and they grow out of this stage at the same time that they start developing language around 1 year old. So the case supporting this with the Horphian interpretation, which is the same as linguistic determinism, is that they are not able to, they don't have names for objects. Sorry, it's not until they have names for objects that they can identify objects properly. So that's one case supporting it. And then another where it is not supported would be the Munduruku people who have number words up to 5, but they can't count accurately up to 5. So even though they have these words, they don't use them accurately. This goes against linguistic determinism, because if they have the number words, they should be able to use them, is what linguistic determinism is stating. However, they don't use them accurately. So this would be showing that it's the cultural environment that's preventing the Munduruku people from developing more accurate counting abilities, and not the lack of number words.